morning students. Welcome once again to the SRBPS online classes. Today we are going to discuss the topic factorization. As already we have started it and we have learned what are the steps that we have to keep in mind when we are going to factorize any number. Right? We have discussed CRC till now. CRC. Now what does C mean? Already I have told you people, C means to take the number common out. That is the first step, right? And second thing, if the number is not getting common out, right? So what we have to do, we have to go to the R, and R means regrouping the number. So we will do same thing here only. So let's see the question. Here, if I start considering each term, so is any common number here? Can we take out any common, the highest common factor among all these terms? So we can see nothing is common in all the terms. So we are done with the first step. So now we have to proceed to the second step. That means regrouping. So what we will do? We will start regrouping the number. So let's start regrouping the number. What I am going to do here, I am going to write the first and the third term together. So 72x square minus 49 plus 42x minus 84x. Right? Now what I have done, I have made their group. We have used here the associative property where we are grouping the numbers. We are grouping the terms. So now what I need to do, I need to take common number out from the each group. So now we can see here that there is no common number between these two terms, right? And here we can find the common number. So it means that the group, the regrouping that we have done, somewhere it is incorrect. So we will again regroup it with the different terms. It can happen in each and every question. Right? So it is a kind of a trial and error method while we are regrouping the number. Because we have taken this and this term first. So we find that there is nothing common between both the numbers. So now we are going to change the regrouping. So now after changing, what we are doing, I am going to regroup the first two numbers and the last two numbers. So what I will do, I will find the common number from the first two terms, right? The first group, we are going to find out the common number. As already we have learned how to find the highest common factor, so we will do the same procedure here only. We will write the factors of this term. So it will be 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into x into x, right? And the second number is 42x. So it will be 2 into 3 into 7 into x. Right, children? So this work you can do in your rough as a rough work, and here we can see that this is common, this is common, and this is common. So our common number will be 2 into 3 into x. That is 6x. Right? Now what we will do? We will just, after taking the number common out, multiply, and then we will open the bracket. Now we have to write down the another factor by which it will get multiplied to give this to us, right? So the way of doing this, 72x square is our first number. So divide this number by this, you will get the another factor here. So it will be x1, it will be 12. So number would be 12x, right? Now the same thing we will do for the second number. So now my second term of the group is 42x, and we have taken this number common. So x cancel, it will gives us 7. So here the plus sign, here the plus sign, and the 7. So now the first set of factors is ready with us. This is my one factor and this is my another factor. The whole bracket will be considered as one factor, because when we will multiply 6s into the bracket, so we will get this first group, right? Now same thing we will do with the second group. As you can see here, minus sign is here, so we will write minus sign is here, right? Now 49 factors will be 7 into 7, and 84x factor will be, it will be 7 into 2 into 2 into 3 into x, right? As we know that 7 times 12 will be 84. So 7 into, and this will be 12, 2 into 2 into 3 into x. Now what we can see common here, so here only one number is common. So this will be the highest common factor of these two numbers. So we will write 7. Again we will put the multiplication sign and we will open the bracket. This is the common practice that we will do in each and every question. After taking the number common, right, we will put the multiplication sign and we will open the bracket. So as we can see, 49 is here. So 49 when divided by 7 will gives us 7. So the first number which will come in place of 49 after opening the bracket will 7. Now the next number is 84x. Now you can see the number is 84x. So it will be divided by 7. It will gives us 12x. So here will be 12x. Now as I told you, here is plus sign, so we have put the plus sign. But here is minus sign, so we have to put minus sign. Yes, we can put minus sign if there is a case of plus here. Right children? Why? Because as we know that when we are multiplying the number, the sign will also get multiplied. So here we have to keep this thing in the mind. When the plus sign is outside the bracket, the sign will remain same. So as we all know that when the plus sign is out the bracket, the sign will remain same, right? But here in this case, the sign is negative. The sign is negative. So the sign inside the bracket will be changed into the opposite sign. Since here is negative sign, so it will be positive sign. Why? Because when we divide the number, when we divide the negative number by the negative number, so answer will be positive only. That's why the sign will get changed inside the bracket. And it's a simple trick. Always remember, when you have the minus sign outside the bracket, you have to change the sign inside the bracket, right? Now the important step has been done. So next step is that we have to see how many terms are left now in this step. So we can see here, this is one term and this is second term. How we identify this? As you can see here, this number is getting multiplied with this number, and here this number is getting multiplied with this number, and they both are joined or combined by the sign of minus. So we can say that this is one term and this is second term. Now we have to find the another common number. As we can see here, what is common here? So one bracket, this bracket is common in both the term. So again we will take the common factor out, right? So we will write this common factor out. We have to do this procedure until we are not left with any common factor, right? So after taking the number common, so we will put the multiplication sign and we have to keep this number in bracket, because in bracket it is considered as a single number. Now we will open the bracket. Now in this whole term, we have taken this out. So what we are left with? We are left with 6x, right? And in this term, we have taken out this number, right, as a common factor. So what we are left with? We are left with minus 7, right children? And the concept of left is that only when we will divide this whole by this, so this bracket and this bracket will get cancelled. See how? 12x plus 7. If I am going to find what is left inside the bracket or in this term after taking the highest common factor, so the whole bracket cancel whole bracket, we are left with 6x only. So that's why I have written 6s, and in the same manner I have written minus 7 here. So now the question arises in the mind, till which step we have to continue all this procedure. So now just see that this is my one number because it is in a bracket, and now this is my another number, it is also in a bracket, and the both number are getting multiplied, right? So now my factorization is completed, because factorization means when the number are multiplying with each others, right? So here we are left with the multiplication only. Okay, so here our factorization get completed, right children? So this is the way we can factorize any number. Only what we have to do in each and every question, these steps only we need to follow. Till now we have discussed only 3 steps. In the next video or in the next class, we will discuss the next 2 steps. That when the position will come, that we have to reach to the 4th step or the 5th step. Right children? So I hope you understood this. Stay happy, stay safe.